We're in Norway!
I'm playing with my life here.
Mom, why are you...
Wait, I'm like half thinking.
Norway. Hello, welcome to the vlog. This is Norway cruise day 2. We just hiked up a mountain, but let's rewind to the start of the day.
Wait, I can't. Can we get out? Oh my god. This is Norway. Good morning.
For those of you that don't know, I recently went on a 7-day cruise around Norway with my family. This was a huge family holiday. This was our big summer holiday for the year, and I decided to vlog it all. This was one of our first days in Norway, and I think our second day on the holiday as a whole. I had booked a hiking excursion a couple weeks before. It was our first time off the boat in a while, and it was our first time seeing Norway up close. Today we're hiking. We just left our coach. Wow. We got given biscuits on our coach trip, so we're gonna do a little taste test. It's basically a Kit Kat.
This is what it looks like. It's a wafer.
Cheers.
And I just kind of want to debunk this thing because a lot of people, which is not exactly how it works.
Yum.
Which is a lot of country.
It's quite nutty.
No, or something.
Maybe I should have booked an easier hike. This is kind of crazy. Wait, I'm already out of breath. It's really long. Everyone's fine. It's like a midway point. Now there's chains, so honestly, okay.
Oh, I hate that though. Look at the rocks. Wait, this is cute.
Look where mom is.
Wait, this is cute. I'm actually paying attention.
Do it. Wait, just pose. Here they are. We're not even 5 minutes in. And
Down this. That's so jarring.
I'm playing with my life here.
Hey! Manage. Where's mom?
Good mom.
Girl, she's on my back there. Oh, fuck. Whoa, I'm on all fours down here.
wait. Okay. It's been 20 minutes, so we should be near the top, I think.
Light work? No reaction.
At least she's got strong legs. Is she sweating? No.
Never give up.
I'm so tired. Oh, it's right there. Okay, that was not that bad. I thought it was gonna get worse. Actually, it was not that bad of a hike.
What hike? It was so easy, like I don't even remember doing it.
Wait, I want to see what angle it is.
Can you touch that? Just touch it. Touch it. Oh, it's the wrong fucking
Daddy, halika na.
Hey everyone, welcome to Massafassen. Fun fact, you can drink the water from this very waterfall, filled with minerals, such as
I don't even know the name of any minerals.
neither
I couldn't name you one mineral.
hydrogen and helium. Damn.
And then wiped it.
Oh my gosh, Mom, why are you using? We're not trees. If you push us, we're over. This woman is crazy. This woman is crazy. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity, everyone. So before we leave, make sure you've got all your pictures. Make sure that you fill up your empty water bottles with the fresh waterfall water. Are you enjoying the ASMR? What if I like eat it?
And now we're back. Yes, so we're at the bottom now. Beautiful lake. I'm about to fill up my water bottle.
Norwegian spring water. Norwegian fjord water.
I wonder where our ship is. I have no idea. Photo reveal. No way. Why the watermark?
No way.
Wait, I'm like half blinking.
No. Why is the angle so low?
Nice. Oh yeah, that one's nice. Hello.
Oh my. Like this is literally exactly what I was thinking. Holy cow.
Wow.
Holy. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm gonna cry. No, I'm actually tearing up.
This also gives Norway the best transit condition. It's also our export article that we know as silt. To make sure advances, it will dig into it are being kept dry frozen.
Okay. Waterfall. Okay, we're still walking up. Wow. Hey, we made it. That is Briksdal Glacier. Guys, what the freaking hell? And she went the wrong way. We're doing goal. We're kind of waiting to go into the football area. But this is our view.
Wait, but surely it's like.
I think it's the wrong way for you.
Surely that's good, right?
Go.
The swinging.
I'm literally grabbing onto the net out of fear. It's amazing.
Mag-ano na lang tayo, hop on, hop off na bus.
Good morning. Today our boat has docked in a place called Flam and we've taken a little shuttle bus to a secondary location. We're visiting a Viking village today. This is my view currently. I don't know if you can see people like canoeing or kayaking in the background. It's gorgeous here. Norway. I really want a coffee or something. Right now, I'm eating the most amazing ham and cheese sandwich. What the? And I've got a little cappuccino. This is a very good lunch. Sometimes all you need in life is a simple ham and cheese sandwich. Oh, we also got pastries, but Alicia ate them already. She got a pain au chocolat and a cheese or a chocolate twist. Looks so good.
Can I taste this?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Look at this wonderful view. This is really good. Maybe can I try some of the twist?
I already have this.
Okay. Okay, the time is 5 to 1. It's the final day in Norway. Tomorrow we're completely at sea, and then the day after that we're back in the UK. So we're in a lovely mid-sized city called Haugesund. Quite urban compared to the other places we've gone to. They have really cute stores here. I bought some rings. I bought this ring, so pretty, and then I bought these two as well. And they were only like 59 krona each, which I think is pretty good.